Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your headphones Bose QuietComfort 25 with your phone with using cable. All you need to have is just 3.5 mini jack, what you receive in a package, and of course your phone should have a mini jack. That's it. Now connect the cable to the phone, this one, and the second one to the headphones. And that's it, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!